In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add friends on Ubisoft Connect. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Ubisoft Connect launcher available on PC to search and add your friends. So, all that you have to do is open the latest version of Ubisoft Connect on your PC, and in here, make sure that you have this sidebar enabled. If you don't see this sidebar, just click on this little arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen, and now you should be able to see the four main tabs: friends, chat, game, invites, and then requests. So to actually add someone, it's as simple as looking them up with the search function at the top. So as you can see, you have not added any friends yet. Use this search to find any other Ubisoft player. So just type out the name here. Once you type out any name, you will be able to check their profile, so you can click on their icon, you can see all of the options here, and then you will be able to see if this is your friend who you want to add. If it is, all that you have to do is click the option to add to friends or use this little icon here. The friend request will now be sent. Now sadly for this video, I won't be able to show you how it looks visually for them, but all that they have to do now is go over to the requests tab, and as you can see, not only will you be able to see the requests that you have sent, the requests that you have received are also going to appear here. So if this was an invite sent to me, I would be able to accept it from here. You can cancel the friend request at any time, and once they accept the friend request, they will appear on this main list. Afterwards, you will be able to access chat, to talk to them, or when you play any game that features the option for you to invite your friends through your Ubisoft Connect friends list, they will appear and you can send out the invites as needed. It is super simple, and all that you have to do is type out their name here in the search function, check their profile, and then add to friends. I hope I was able to help you on how to add friends on Ubisoft Connect. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.